Over our safety features of our Boeing 737-700. That safety information card is in the seat back pocket in front of you. Take it out and read it before you need it. If you've never ridden on this plane, a train, or an automobile, we're going to teach you something cool. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle, pull them out loose, straps tight. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position that seatbelt tight, low, crush your hips, and wear it anytime you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits on board this aircraft, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead you to those exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. Take your loved ones. In the event that Southwest Airlines becomes a love cruise today, you're going to use that life vest under your seat. You're going to remove that vest only if told to do so. You're going to place that Gucci belt around your tiny waist, buckle it in the front, and pull it tight. Once outside, on the outside, you're going to pull down that red tab to inflate your vest. For you overachievers and the ones that do everything the hard way, blow into that tube at your shoulder. Your vest does have that disco light that turns on automatically once activated by water. Now just let the sharks know where you are. Swim fast, kick paddle, kick paddle. Your flight crew is coming to the cabin because we have trust issues here at Southwest Airlines to make sure that your seatbelts are fastened, seatbacks and tray tables are in their full upright and locked position, and all those carrying items you brought with you, folks, are under the seat in front of you or in those overhead bins, leaving the air around your feet completely clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes is also prohibited on board this flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. So don't be naughty in our body. It is also prohibited to consume any personal alcohol you may have brought with you on today's flight. So if you did bring it, please leave it in your bag. Those 2 fines combined can buy you first class on Delta. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the Atlantic passenger information signs, poster placards, and crew member instructions, and including information on seatbelts and smoking. Although we never anticipate a change in cabin pressure, if one does occur, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on that mask so the plastic tubing is fully extended. You're going to place that mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic straps. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate, so let go of your neighbor and stop screaming, you're wasting oxygen. If you are traveling with children, anyone needing special assistance, or anyone acting like a child this evening, yes, please put on your mask first. We are here for your comfort and safety, ladies and gentlemen. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Now sit back, relax, or sit upright and be uncomfortable for the next hour and 40 minutes on our way over to fabulous San Francisco. Welcome aboard. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to dim those cabin lights for departure. If you need an additional reading light or you're just scared of the person you chose to sit next to, go ahead and press that picture of a light bulb above your head. If you press that other button and it makes noise, that's your flight attendant call button. It may turn on, but it does not turn us on, ladies and gentlemen. Good night. What? Line 1. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've been cleared for departure. Double check those seatbelts, enjoy your flight.